we 3.8, which is a truck weighing 2500 kilogram and moving with velocity of 21 meter per second collides with stationary car weighing 1000 kg. Here we should understand that truck is moving with this velocity and a car is at rest position, means car has velocity 0. So the truck and the car moves together after the impact, means after collision the truck and car moving together. So calculate their common velocity. When they move together, it means that their velocity will be common and we need to find it. So we have the data, which is mass of truck, which is 2500 kilogram. Initial velocity is 21 meter per second of truck. Second, we know that mass of car is 1000 kilogram. We know that car is at rest position, so initial velocity v2 will be 0. We want to find common velocity after collision, and why we write v1 prime is equal to v2. Both car and truck have same velocities, because after collision we know that according to question move together after that impact, so their velocity is common here. So according to law of conservation of momentum, we know that m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 v1 prime. V1 prime and v2 prime means after the collision their velocity will be v1 v2 prime. But according to question, we want to find common velocities. Common velocity means v1 prime and v2 prime velocities equal to v. We use this term v because both are equal, so we use v. We can replace v1 or v2 by v. So here we replace v1 and v2 by v, and we take common it and get m1 plus m2 in bracket. We separate the common velocity, this velocity, and we here we get this term, and we put all the values in this term. Here we get the common velocity. We calculate this term and get the velocity, which is 15 meter per second. This is the whole question.